want to want it. Uncle Derrick himself not want it.
Mother. I want to be like a dog.
Yeah, them walk and dash your belly like dog at home. Them
Yeah.
fuck you.
The dead dog, them a friend.
What about you all see them?
Come up and scream guy for the dead dog. The girl him a dog. Don't walk and dash your belly like a dog. Then can't come up for that. Then me can't go to the maple cemetery. Because the pin in my body said that's the way no blood clot on that cemetery. Then drunk or the dead dog them. Who be them?
What them a balls say?
Why you dash me? Why your blood clot dash me with for? You should bring me back. Shoot them blood clot, dead dog them. Drunk with them.
What them a balls say? Mommy,
so good one. Blood clot so good one. So good.
But Derrick, you never call nobody so good because you so good, Derrick. Derrick,
come off with blood clot so come off. Blood clot think like what the name. Dirty girl that. Come off of this blood clot. I tape them vice. I then come on me tape them vice. Come again, me I tape with one of blood clot vice. Me I tape one of blood clot vice.
Uncle, skin out about you on my feet. Skin out about you.
Me I tape one of vice. Me I tape a vice. We put her out. We put her out because it's so cool. So cool, Julian. Julian, you're so cool.
Liam, fuck Derrick, go ahead.
Hey, Julian, so cool. Hey, people pan ticket, Julian, so cool. Get your vice, people pan ticket. Then I have pink one. Pink one, people, Julian, so cocky. Julian, so cocky and cocky about the blood clot. Come over the Julian. Your time up, the blood clot. Come on for this blood clot, time up, the bomber clot. Next one. We have to put on put up on next one. On next so cool, that one, yeah. Come. So cool.
Derrick, may I come down here?
You coming down that alley, you know? And too much of them. Enough of them there, you know.
I'm gonna in the comment section.
Okay, darling.
Yeah, text me.
I got to put them in the rubbish pan. I got to put them in the rubbish pan. No, I got to put them in the rubbish pan. I put them in the rubbish pan and video them. Yeah, I put them in the rubbish pan and video them.
They can't flush them in the toilet.
They fall from the child. There are people, yeah. Hey, everybody saying a gift, everybody saying a gift. Uncle the presenter, money can do not. Everybody saying a gift, money can do not, guys. I told shut up, no. I mean, I put everybody in the rubbish pan. Everybody got to go in the rubbish pan. We just have fix it video. Just fix it video, you know.
Remember Uncle Derrick birthday send him something. Uncle Derrick something time birthday, yeah? So they might tap up the screen there, get it, Uncle. Watch you.
Top of the screen. Now put them in the toilet bowl now.
Yeah, man, put them in the toilet and flush them, man. I go down a maple cemetery, call them, baby them, feed them.
Top of the screen, guy. Guys, I gotta put them in it. I gotta put them in it. I gotta put them in it. I gotta put them in a day. I gotta put them in a day. Now it's something now.
Derrick. Uncle, and
can you put the body in a rubbish pan, the body beat out?
you need some hot tea. You need some hot tea on your stomach. Go home and make some hot tea, Belgian, like gas.
Derrick.
Uncle, you have gas in your stomach. You have to go and make some hot tea. Make some garlic tea and drink for that gas you have. Is your Belgian there is gas?
Uncle Andrew.
You have to put yourself in that bin. That bin
Are you
should be
dirty
but I
pop
know what
self
the
there
name
put
say
in
this
a
should have wood.
garbage bin?
Yes, uncle put the phone in that
You have to
garbage
put
bin.
your dead wood in that bin. You have to put your dead wood in that bin because you wood dead. Tiki says you kill Andrew. Where?
But Andrew there.
Put your balls and your cocky in that bin because you're dead. It can't stand up.
Dirty park man,
Uncle,
we
where's
can't put in a
Andrew?
garbage bin. Dirty
Hey,
park man.
Rosie. Hey.
Dirty
Murder.
park man, we are putting.
Imagine a homeless man putting me in a bin. That why you're homeless because you're wicked. Like to cost you
Good
too
food,
much.
uncle put in that bin.
Uncle take me out the bin. We can't breathe.
Murder creation.
Oh no, stop.
Uncle.
I want me to go
Uncle, we
park man, yeah,
can't breathe.
man.
We can't breathe. Help, help. We
Derrick
can't breathe.
Morgan.
Where Uncle gone? Right now, Uncle eat some hot galaxy on his stomach. Gas, you know. Here we belching gas.
Uncle, where's Andrew?
He kill Andrew. What you mean with Andrew?
Derrick put your butt in a garbage bin. Your body be taught.
Dirty park man, take me out of the garbage bin. Dirty Derrick.
Grand teeth, Derrick. Derrick teeth one brush. Batman.
Why?
Park man, take me out of the bin.
See the girl here? See the suckwood girl here? See the suckwood girl here? But I want to tell you, Uncle Derrick, we supposed to be sucking wood, eh? You're not supposed to be sucking it, so leave that for we to do now. You like to
Uncle,
go because
Park man, take me out of the bin.
yeah.
Dirty Derrick.
Come bucket, Derrick.
Wanted Derrick.
No, stop.
Naughty Derrick, take me out the bin.
There's
That's
some
why
more.
me not help you go Peru. Take me out of the bin.
Homeless man, take you out of the bed.
Ambassador, take me out of the bin.
Yeah, go see one video now. 1, 2, 3.
He recorded me.
What me to the park, man, yeah.
Imagine he put his phone in the dirty bin and then he go and hold up that phone and then he go use
And
it
you
and
should have take you out of the bed.
Nobody tell nobody. Hey, nobody that make Derrick the call after the video.
Check out the rubbish pan. You go put the bed down and the rubbish pan for a while. You can't
Derrick
stand
with Andrew.
Derrick Batty kill Andrew.
he
Derrick.
even know where but he had 2 phone. He homeless but he had 2 phone.
Lick up Batty, Derrick.
Park man, take me out of the bin.
Telephone and rent a room.
Well, nobody not make Andrew no call. Derrick no call after this.
What taping? What
Take you out of the bin,
taping?
Derrick.
Recording me.
Young fuck, Derrick.
You post it, you want to post your business.
Yeah. Homeless man had 2 phone.
Dirty Derrick,
Me
I really
say-
had me to put me in a garbage bin. Just to me tell us, you know, everywhere you go with your park behavior, you have me up. Dirty park man. Dirty park
Derrick, can I
man.
check we out? Derrick. Andrew, be a father.
Homeless man, take you out.
Andrew, be a
Put your
father.
body in the bin. Your body want go in there, your body don't know. Dirty teeth, Derrick.
Derrick. I send us some money. Take your time in.
Come pocket, Derrick, take you out, yeah.
Uncle. Uncle Whitey.
Let me see your teeth.
My.
Nothing man, don't take me down, you know. All man, do not take me down. May I pay your room later.
Hey.
Yes, man. You know, put on my piece.